See if anyone can pick up the problem here. Where is positive? Give you 5 seconds. It looks like it's there, yeah? But it's all painted red. Ah, wrong. So the backstory behind this little situation is that we're trying to get the stereo to work. So we trace the wires, they go into the positive, okay, it's all hooked up here as it should. Why isn't it working? So
why does the fuse keep popping?
Why does the fuse keep popping? Well, in fact, that once you actually look at it for longer than 3 seconds, it's painted red, but it's not actually the positive because it's going straight to the body. That's your negative. So both were hooked up to earth, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, that's what happens. Every now and then you just have a bit of a dumb moment, but we'll get that hooked back up.
Insomma, proforma, ma cosa ci aspetta insomma il fine settimana conclusivo?
Allora, proprio melodie quindi a...
Can't even get that in normal cars, that station. It's got the Italian channel.
We just got to get an Italian tape now. Some songs in Italian.
7.42 sul secondo il Martinez.
Minchia, secondo, bravo, vicchio mio. Alright, so we were going to start paint correcting it, but we've decided to go, because of the time limit, we're going to try lower it, and we thought it would be easy, so we're hoping this will be quick and easy. But so this is for the front. We've got one leaf at the front, and then we've got some coil springs for the rear. So we'll start this process and see how quick and easy it is. Hopefully it is easy because it's so small, but don't want to be fooled. Das ist lief dann, ne?
Do you know what you're doing or not really?
Oh, first time, bro. Oh boy.
Okay, so we thought it was going to be an easy job.
And it's not.
Turns out it's the complete opposite.
Never let size
Fool you?
fool you.
20 minutes he initially said for the back.
Huh?
20 minutes you said. 20 minutes just to figure out how to do it. Nah, it's not about how to figure out, it's just you gotta pull apart half the car, to be honest.
It's just committing the time, that's all. That's the hard bit. We've got the fucking time to commit to it at this second.
But basically, you gotta pull that out and that out, and hopefully the drive shaft can stay in, but the brake line will hold it up.
Fuck.
So we're trying to see if we undo those two, if there's enough movement to drop it, so then the spring and the shock can come out as one. Make sense? Episode's going to be on my phone because genius behind the camera forgot his camera. Yep. So last you've seen we pulling this apart and then put it back together and then washed it. So in that time Rob's gone ahead because he can't help himself and started lowering the back and actually got it done. So that's what she's looking like now. We've still got to do the front, as you can see.
Over a couple of beers and 4 limoncellos with one of my mates.
Yeah. So if a spring falls out. So today we're going to do the front. As you can see, we've got the club rego on it. Yeah, it looks good at the back.
Yep.
So let's tinker with the front now. You know what you're doing under there?
Yeah.
I could do the wheel nuts. They're just fucking bolts. showed this, but the front end is actually one leaf. What do you call that, Rob? Is there a name for it?
What's that?
A leaf, like that?
No, a leaf spring.
Thanks,
One
mate.
leaf spring. All the hot rods are this sort of setup. Alright, go down. Wow, that's got a fair bit of tension, eh?
Yeah. Right. I just filmed half my shoe, but that's good. Bring it down and we'll bring it side by side. That's the old spring, leaf spring. And that's the new one. There you go.
Drop it like it's hot. Like a boomerang. Yeah, Italian boomerang, mate.
Right. Alright, now we reverse it out.
These go back here. Alright. That one
that
there goes on this one there, like that. Thank you.
That one goes away. And then this one goes. Half an hour, not bad. Let's drop it. Okay. Might need to settle a bit. There we go. Right, we go for a drive.
Yeah.
Has to settle a bit more.
Settle it.
Looks good, but.
Otherwise we're gonna sink it.
There we go, now she's sitting nice. Tucking at the back, eh? Yeah. That's sick. All that's left is to now correct it when we have a bit of time. Happy with the height? Happy with the height?
Beautiful, mate. Perfect.
It's got a little bit of a lean more towards the back, but I don't mind today.
Lean back. What's the full petrol in it?
10 litres.
Oh, 10.5 litres. What's going on? Yeah.
Wow,
double clutch.
So no synchronizers. You got to double clutch to change gears.
Use the corner of your fucking toe.
Fuck, 40 Ks.
It's better than I thought.
500cc. Make sure it stops. Yeah, brakes are good.
Yeah, I think a bit of water in there.
4 drum brakes. It's enough for 500 kilos. With us in it, maybe 700.
You got to see how much petrol's in this thing, eh?
I checked. It's got like 3/4 of a tank. Whatever that is.
The tricky bit now, downshift.
I wonder if the benzina light works.
I know the generator light keeps coming off and on. Generatore!
Ah, wait 1 second. You gotta pop the roof, boys.
Hold it back.
1 sec. Ah, yeah.
That's alright, eh?
Not bad.
Hey! Cafe, please.
So small and you need a wider lens.